How to invite friends on Melon Playground. Now, if you go ahead and launch your preferred web browser and heading into the melonplayground.io, if you navigate through all of the settings located at the top left portion in game, there's actually no immediate option for you to be able to play multiplayer or even join your friend's lobby on any of these features right here. So as of 2025, they do not have or they haven't added that certain feature yet to play multiplayer or to play online together with your friends. What you can do on your end is just to try to run or try to insert some mods with this game, but it's gonna be depending on you because it needs to have a full security before using mods in this application or game right here for you to be able to keep your operating system safe. So again, there's no such option for you to be able to play with friends in Melon Playground.